I promise it would take less than 2 minutes and you don't have to be a pro to achieve this look. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Let's see how we can achieve this easy peasy look. I'm starting by taking this matte brown eyeshadow from the palette and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid with the help of a fluffy blending brush. Please be mindful to blend the color all over your eyelid nicely so that there is no harsh line and no harsh edges. This can be your everyday office look or for running any errands or any invitation or party. And also this is highly recommended for any beginners. Now I'm picking up that lightest shade from the palette and apply it all over my crease line to give a smooth transition. And next I'm picking up this 2 dark brown matte eyeshadow from the palette with the help of a pencil smudging brush. I'm going to draw a line close to the upper lash line like so. As I promised that this can be your everyday look, therefore I have skipped any kind of kajal or liner and using the darkest browns eyeshadows from the palette as liner. If you want, you can definitely skip the wing part. I'm going to smudge the same 2 colors to the 1/3 part of my lower lash line as well. And to keep the look subtle, I'm going to use that beige or a nude eye pencil. You can call it done just by adding some mascara to the lashes, but I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter to the inner corner and to the arch of my eyebrow like so. And that's it. Let me know your thoughts on this. This is my go-to look. Comment down below and let me know if you would choose this look as your go-to or everyday look or not. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button as it would mean absolute world to me. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.